Been calling me. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So my oldies, I did a poll on Instagram asking people what type of budgeting video they wanted to see next. Did they want to see my tax return, or did they want to see my paycheck to see a follow-up of what I did with the last video? If you haven't seen the last video, I'll go ahead and link it up here. So if you're new to this channel, do expect this is not just primarily a budgeting channel. I like to do everything lifestyle related. Budgeting, I'll do vlogs, and I also do fashion videos as well. So basically, I'm introducing this segment on my channel about budgeting. I fell in love with it, and I decided to bring it to my platform as well, because I really want to help people out there who are like me, who didn't have a clue where their money went. You just know you got paid, you buy what you wanted, and then you're like, crap, where did my money go? So I am on this financial journey to get debt free, to be in charge of my finances, so that my financial health, I like to call it financial health, because when my finances are messed up, I'm stressed out, all of that, you know. So we taking care of the whole self. All right. So a lot of people, when they do self-care, they do body and all of that. I'm taking care of the entire thing, even my finances. Okay. So if you watched my first video, you saw that I did a budgeting showing you how to budget. I don't think I'll be doing those videos very frequently. I'll definitely be doing these cash stuffing videos every 2 weeks. I do get paid bi-weekly, so I'll do these videos twice a month. Some background, I am a teacher. I am salary, which means I make the same amount every 2 weeks. Nothing really changes unless YouTube pays me, and that's always towards the end of the month. Since this is my first one, I'm going to do a lot of explaining on what I'm doing, and then in the future, I'll just do it. So I'm going to start off with my cash envelopes. So I have 4 categories. Me, which is personal. I have miscellaneous, I have gas, and I have groceries, and then I just collect my coins whenever I get change. All right, so we're just going to take out this money. So I do give myself for groceries $125. Let's see how much we have left. I have 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, $35. So it's going to put these leftover money to the side, and then I'm going to stuff my groceries with $125. Okay, so I just take 100, a 20, and a 5. So 120, 25. So 125 goes in my grocery envelope. All right. And then the leftover money for these will just go to the side, and I'll do something with that towards the end. All right. Gas, I give myself 40. Didn't spend any in gas. I had gas in my car. So I am going to take it out. Somebody probably thinking, what's the point of taking it out and putting it back? Because it's not in this week's budget. I'm going to do something specific with that. I am specifically pulling the funds from this week's budget. Okay, so that's gas. Miscellaneous gets $20. Again, didn't spend it, but I am still going to take it out and put it to the side and take it out of this week's budget. I'm not going to really roll over these. I'll just switch it out, whatever is left. I think I might though, because I've been doing this now, so I'm just going to tweak a little bit. I might roll over my personal, because it's just some things that I want, and I'm just like, $75 is not enough. I mean, I'm trying to do self-control right now, but listen, if I got to roll over my money to do some self-care and all that, I'm going to do that. So I will watch and see, but I'm probably just going to roll over my money. But this week we're not. So let's go. So for personal, I have 20, 25, 26, $27 left. We're also going to put all that money to the side. So this is all of our money right there. And I'll do something with that towards the end of the video. So we're just going to put our fresh $75 in my envelope. 50, 70, 75. And y'all, if y'all hear people, my brother has company downstairs, so I apologize. And then my coins, I just have a big coins jar. It's not really a jar. It's one of my empty coffee containers that I buy my coffee in from Costco. I just throw them in there. So I'm just going to empty this in my coffee jar. All right, now let's get to my favorite part, which are my sinking funds. So let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. and let's get started. So y'all, I'm in the process of like trying to design my envelopes, but it's a fail right now. You can't see this, but it says car. It's supposed to say car maintenance. I went to Dollar Tree and I bought some. Let me show y'all. I went to Dollar Tree and I bought these. They had silver and gold. I see a lot of people with the silver ones, but I'm like, I'm gonna be different and get a gold. Now I see why people have silver. So if you see me with silver, mind your business. Because I tried the gold and clearly it's not showing up, so I'll probably just have to change these over. I'm trying to find my style to see what really fits me. So I'm just going to move this money to the side so I can move my envelope up so y'all can see. There we go. So I already updated my sheets because believe it or not, this is not my first time filming this video. I did not know these videos were so like crazy to film. Anyway, car maintenance gets a 20. So we're just gonna go $20. So now we have 40 in car maintenance. All right, but look at this one though. This one is cute. I mean, you can't see travel, but you get the idea. All right. So travel gets $40. So now travel should have 80. As you can see, I'm new to this, but I'm gonna be true to it though. 20, 40, 60, 80. All right, emergency fund. Again, you can't see the fund. Emergency also gets 40. All right, so now we have, and y'all excuse all my money looking crazy. I might cave and follow everybody and get a little tray, but for right now it's not in my budget. But we're just gonna use what we have for now, okay? We're not gonna rush to get a tray. So let's see how much we have in emergency fund. 20, 40, 60, $80. I'm trying to think of a cap for emergency fund. I'm just like, you never know what the emergency is, right? So that's the point. But I don't know. I was thinking $1,000 and I thought about it. I was like, yeah, 1,000 is not enough. All right, so that snowball, like I explained in my last video, my goal is to pay off my two of my credit cards. Well, I only have 2 credit cards. My Best Buy and my Discover card, I'm trying to pay those off, get them to zero. So with that, that snowball gets $50. So right now we have 100. We got a long way to go. I mean, I think I only owe like $1,200 on both my credit cards, but you know, long way to go. So right now we have $100 in that snowball. Room decor. I think on my sheet that I did in the last video, I said it was just room, but really it's room decor, because I want to get my room a little fancy schmancy, looking like a hotel room, sis. So with that, I'm saving my little $10 every 2 weeks. So room gets $10. So right now we have a $20. All right, so I am doing the 10K challenge. So I just pulled $385 out of every paycheck, and by the end of the year I should be at 10K. The only thing is I started this in February and not January because I didn't find this until February and committed to it. So I do need to figure out how I'm gonna make that up. It's $770, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna pull it from somewhere because by the end of this year I'm gonna have $10,000, okay, in this. It might not fit in here, but you know. So yeah, we're gonna go 385. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 380, and a 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 380, 385. All right, so this in total should be, let's see, 770, because it's only been 2 months. All right. Trying to move fast, y'all. Not trying to have a video all crazy long. All right, let's see. Let me just fix these around now that I'm out of 50s and try to squeeze these bad boys in. All right. you can see a part of the 100s. It's cool. All right, let's go to see how much money we have in our 10K challenge so far. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 720, 740, 750, 760, 65, 770. Just like I said. All right, somebody asked me in the last video, they were a little concerned about keeping all this money at home. I would get a safe if you're concerned about that. Also, I do have a strategy on every time I reach $1,000 in my envelopes, I will go ahead and put that in a bank, except for the 10K challenge. I think I'm going to keep this one here, I think. All right. So for Christmas gets 5. I know that's small compared to a lot of channels that I saw, but listen, we just gonna do what we gotta do with this. So we're just gonna add $5 to it, and then as we get closer I might increase it, but for now $5 is good. So right now in Christmas we have 10. All right, again, y'all can't see this, but it says birthday. When you take out the money you can see it, but you can't see with the money inside, which is crazy, right? Look at that. Y'all, I can't spell. Oh my God, I can't spell. Y'all, I can't spell. We gonna fix this right now. Hold on, because I'm not about to be embarrassed myself. I mean, I could edit this out, right? But what's the point? I'm human. I'm human after all, y'all. We gonna fix this. I mean, when you take these off, you lose a little glitter. I used a tweezer last night, but all right. Oops, my A is all jacked up. But y'all get the, let me get a new A, because we're not going to have no jacked up A on here. And I apologize, guys. This was not in my intention. But we're going to fix it, because that's what we do on this channel. We keep it 100. Birthday. Not birth A, but birthday, okay? So birthday. Where'd I put the 5? Okay, I put it right here, right? Nope, I put it right here. All right, this was the 5 that was inside, so you can see it. So we're going to add a 5. So now birthday have $10. And I might take some money out of here because I did buy someone a birthday present. I think I spent 20, so I need to take this out. But I'll take it out when I get to 20. And put it back in my account. For medical, now I do have insurance. It's just that some places that I go, like urgent care and stuff, I do have a copay. So I like to save towards that. So right now I have a 5. I'm going to add another 5. So that brings this 5 10. Okay, so we got $10. I need to put a budget sheet in here for medical. Next time you see a cash stuffing, I will have one. All right. YouTube, I did get paid from YouTube. I don't stuff it with my paycheck. I get paid from YouTube. So I do put the money in here whenever I get paid. So this will always be stuffed with the second paycheck of the month, never the first, because I get paid towards the end of the month for YouTube. So this paycheck for YouTube was 400 and I think 30 something dollars, 38 or something like that. All right, let's see, because that's the remaining money that we have here. 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 430, 435, 36, 37, 438. Okay, so we're just gonna put this money here, and I use this money for anything related to my channel. So if I need to buy SD cards, if I need to buy something for my camera, my stand, my lighting, anything like that, that's what goes there. Or if I want to invest, if I have a cool video idea and I want to do it, I'll put it from here and then invest it, and if I make the money back, I'll just put it back in with the profit. So that's YouTube, or when I get paid from sponsorships or anything like that, that goes here as well. All right, so now my remaining envelopes are my $5 and $1 challenges, and then I have a leftover. So remember the money I took out in the beginning? Voila, we're back. So I'm just gonna organize it real quick. We got a lot of money, y'all. And the crazy thing about this is, if I was not doing this and seeing that I actually have money left, I would have blown through this already. Or like, you know, oh, I got money in my account. Oh, I got leftover. Oh, I get paid next week. What? And I still got money. Let's go spend it. Where we gonna eat, drink, and all that at? Where am I gonna buy stuff from that I don't need? Okay, so I'm very intentional with how I'm spending from now on. So this was my leftover money from my cash envelopes from last week. So I'm doing the $5 challenge. If you're old to my channel, y'all know I've been doing this. I've vlogged about it a little bit, and I also included it on my Snapchat and Instagram, but this is something I've been doing since college. So I have three $5, I think. Yep, three $5 for my envelope. So whenever I have leftover money, I'll just put them in here, and then I'll count them halfway through, and then at the end of the year. And then I'm also, this I saw, I think her name was something Budgets. I don't remember. Oh my God, I don't remember. But anyway, she's doing a $1 challenge. I was like, oh, that's cool. So I'll just do $1. I don't necessarily count these just because I want to feel the excitement when I'm counting towards the end. And now for my leftover money. So leftovers, got $100. Who would have thought? Like, what? I have $100 left over? Wow. So anyway, leftover goes into the leftover wallet, and this is just a buffer, honestly. Or my goal is to like not touch it until the end of the year. I don't know if I have that much self-control, and that's just me keeping it real with y'all. But we're gonna see. We're gonna do it and see if we can accumulate and maybe, you know, do something. All right, y'all, so this is the end of my cash stuffing video. That's what I do with the remaining money of my paycheck. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys, and happy budgeting. If I want, I wanna come from pretty little island.